Hello everyone, myself Maharaj. I am from DKR College. Today I am going to explain about a mini project which I have done in my college, and this project name is known as radar detector, which will be used in many purpose. Example like military, aircrafts, and so many others. House purposes it can be used. So today I am going to explain about how this mini project I have done, and I will explain my thoughts about this project. So first of all, let's talk about the circuit diagram. This is my circuit diagram. Have done. I am using this Arduino, ultrasonic sensor, and a motor, and motor known as a servo motor. We are using this, and this is the connections which I have done. So in this we have used mainly two programs. First one is an Arduino program. Arduino program is this, and another program is we use for processing. So how the controlling purpose we used this processor, and this processor known as a processing 4.1. So by using these applications we can do the working of the applications. Now we will go with the real. So this is the project we have done. So this is the battery, and this is the ultrasonic sensor, this is a servo motor, and this is an Arduino. So first of all we dumped the Arduino code into the Arduino code. I have dumped. Then again I have given the connections as per the circuit diagram. After dumping that, so by using the processor, I have made the program to run. After running, the program has been output has been loaded. So in this, when the ultrasonic sound radar rotates any 180 degrees, then it will detect any object which comes nearest to it. For example, if the ultrasonic sensor will detect any meter which I have given the program. So up to if the program is given about 1 kilometer or any 30 centimeters, 40 centimeters, up to 1 kilometer or any meter, the program is dependent on kilometers. It means how you given the program. So I have given the about 20 to 30 centimeters of the program. So distance I have given the 20 to 30 centimeters. So whenever any object comes to contact with between the 10 to 20 centimeters, then the ultrasonic sensor will detect and it will give the signal to the display. For example, I have taken this cover. So this cover is giving the range in between range to this ultrasonic sensor. For example, if the radar, if the object comes here into sonic, then the object will come red. So if I remove, the object will go to green. By this, we can know that the ultrasonic sensor will detect any object which comes contact within it, and it will be shown in the display. If you are here, like this it will work, and it will be rotated at 180 degrees, but we can give it the 360 degrees also by giving the Arduino a cut program. So I used only 180 degrees. They mainly used in many purpose like navy, so submarines, to detect any object near that submarine. We can be used this, and in aircrafts. So in aircraft means any military defenses like that, we can be used this to detect any missiles, flights which comes to near to our places. We can detect by using this, and these can be used in our home applications also, like clean our area surroundings. To detect unwanted person should not be entered. So by this we can detect any object which comes near to our house. These can be used in these applications. These ultrasonic sound detector means radar detector can be used in many purposes in our daily life, and it's very useful for a human being to be aware of our surroundings. And this is mainly used in defenses and aircrafts, defense, or in any military companies, or any defenses. These are the used. Thank you.